What do you think are the three most important values and qualities that a politician, a young politician especially, must carry today?
One, I think politics, by its very nature, teaches you to be indifferent to the results of your work. So the philosophy of karmanye vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana, that is something that you experience in politics every day. You work towards something, but results will not happen. You do something today, but you intend the things to go this way, but many times it will not happen. There are going to be personal successes, there are going to be personal failures. So how can you remain unaffected by these things? How can you mold yourself to be a person where you can give your 100% effort, but be indifferent to personal glory? This philosophical approach towards life as such and towards politics as a mission is something that any aspiring young political leader must cultivate. So this is the first thing, where you understand that you are here for a larger impersonal ideal and not for a very limited and narrow personal glory. I think this is the first thing that will give you a lot of strength. Second, to add to the long-term planning that Annamalai ji spoke about, as young people, we bring in a lot of understanding of technology. I think that is something that we must, as young political leaders, bring to the table. Technology is a game changer in governance. And you are in politics for governance. If you look at the post-COVID challenges, understanding of big data, understanding of algorithms, how using technology and big data and artificial intelligence for governance, how say new emerging technologies like blockchain can be implemented in say cleaning of land records. So this technological bent of mind, which the older generation political leaders may perhaps not have. I'm not saying that they don't have. Many of them are extremely technologically adept. But as young people, any progressively young generation will be more attuned to technology. If you look at it, when we were kids, we would play with pen and pencil and geometry box. The kids of today, they play with smartphones. So that's the progressive technological evolution that has taken place. So I think the second aspect would be bringing in technology perspective to governance. The third thing would be age-old values of integrity, of responsibility, and empathy. Because you're in politics, because you're here to solve everyone else's problem. You are here every day in our office. The morning, Sumukh, every one of us know here. Morning we come here, the office starts at 9. By the time we close at 10, every single person who walks into the office walks in because he has a problem. And he is not here wanting to hear technical solutions or technical explanations. He wants a solution. So you need to be empathetic to that person. And I think these are age-old qualities which are universal for all political leaders across the world. And I think these are the three important qualities any young aspiring political activist must have.